I wouldn't do it the first time. Go ahead and touch his belly again. You got gloves on. You already done it once, nigga. You ain't scared to do it. See, I'm a little girl.
Still warm, as you can see. It's still warm.
It is.
Very
It moves.
cushy. It's not blown out.
It's crazy. There's a shaved piece right there. There's no teeth mark showing. And his head looks like it's been shaved just halfway
to the bone.
Down the middle to the bone.
You're not recording, you know.
I'm not, yeah, I am. 29 seconds.
I'm just fucking with you, buddy. I just throw that into the video.
Shave and a haircut, 2 bits. Here's another one that was next to it, the skull. Over there lays a big one. Maybe it lives in that tree.
I think it's about close to the bone.
First time I saw this, Josh was out here skull fucking this.
No, actually, we were running 3-way. We just got mixed up. It was dark.
This one got tired first.